Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use the Comfort Max CK800 shoulder arm abduction system. Begin by slipping the shoulder strap over the neck and adjust so that the CK800 fits snug within the right armpit. Next, bring the waist strap around your body and secure so that the CK800 also fits snug to your right side. This device comes ready for right arm abduction, and in a moment, we'll show you how to prepare it for abduction on the left arm. Next, starting with the upper arm, attach each arm strap so that the CK800 fits snug and little movement is experienced. Continue down the arm, attaching each strap with the Velcro connectors provided. Now, attach the provided wedge in the outside fold of the CK800. The corner that's placed in this fold will dictate the angle of abduction as indicated on the wedge. For use on the left arm, simply feed the L-shaped arm bar through the shoulder strap, flip it over, and reverse each of the Velcro connectors on the arm strap and the waist strap.